Welcome to the Easy Contracting cloud-based management solution, which will enable you to improve efficiencies and lead to improved profits. No matter what your contracting business, how big or small, or where you are located, Easy Contracting's cloud-based solution will quite simply help you run your business a whole lot better. No smoke and mirrors, just proven results. In this video, we will demonstrate a simple plumbing operation called Happy Plumbing to quote, reserve existing stock required for the job, procure stock, receive stock, install bathrooms, invoice and manage time, stock, and invoicing more efficiently. Let us begin with a quote for Mrs. Jones. Mrs. Jones requires 2 new bathrooms to be built in her home. 1. In this segment, we will be talking about systems and subsystems that are used to build a quote. Mrs. Jones wants a bath, shower, toilet, and basin in her main bathroom. Let's add the first system and give it a description of main bathroom. Next, we add a subsystem for each of the items that will be fitted in the bathroom and add the components that make up the item. For example, the components that make up the shower could include copper pipe, mixer, shower door, shower head, and labor. It is possible to pre-build subsystems and import them as bill of materials for items that are quoted on often. You are able to add and remove components to build the subsystems as needed. Subsystems can be saved as bill of materials for reuse later. Price updates are managed by the system. Any price not updated in 3 months will be flagged in red. Prices can be checked and updated at any stage during the quotation process. Once all systems and subsystems have been created and checked, the quote is then submitted to the client. Submitted quotes can be printed and/or emailed to the client in a PDF format. Submitted quotes cannot be altered. When the quote is accepted by the client, it is moved to Job in Progress, and work on the job can begin. 2. In this segment, we will take a look at stock on hand, stock required, and receiving stock. Back in the office, Happy Plumbing will then need to go and view the order received from Mrs. Jones. The cloud-based software will then show stock levels on hand. Stock that is available can be reserved for Mrs. Jones's job. Stock not available can be ordered immediately from the different suppliers. Orders are sent via email to the supplier details stored in the application. Easy Contracting Management Solution immediately adjusts available stock on hand so that the next order will have the updated stock on hand. When the delivery arrives, the order is received in the application and the color changes on the screen to display this. When all items have arrived, Mrs. Jones's installation can be scheduled. 3. In this segment, we book the time for the installation, correct prices for a specific bill of materials, and measure quoted time versus actual time. Each person that works on Mrs. Jones's installation books their time to the job. The actual hours worked and the day they were worked are captured. Once the job is complete, we know how many hours were actually spent on each subsystem, system, and the job. Happy Plumbers now knows how they need to quote the next time they do a similar job. The bill of materials can also be adjusted if needed. 4. In this segment, we will show the difference between what was quoted and not used and what was not quoted but used. Once the job is complete, it is possible to see a comparison at subsystem level of what was quoted for and used, quoted for and not not quoted for and used. It is also possible to build a bill of materials from this report. 5. In this segment, we will show the invoicing ad hoc versus system invoicing. The job can now be invoiced directly from the system, either system by system, which is ideal if payment terms are payment on delivery, or ad hoc, which can be used when payments for deposit and final amounts are agreed on. The invoice can be emailed directly from the system as it's generated. It's possible at any stage to see which invoices have been generated for a job. This concludes the entire job for Mrs. Jones. Easy Contracting cloud-based management solution has made the entire job efficient by reducing guesswork, knowing what stock is on hand, what stock needs to be ordered, keeping inventory levels low, managing time of installation accurately, and getting quotes and invoicing to clients professionally and efficiently. This will also enhance your brand image in the marketplace. Let's talk about callouts. Callouts are handled directly by the technician while completing a timesheet. Distance to client and travel time are pre-captured. The technician simply captures time spent on site and material used. The client signs on the mobile device and the job is then made available in the back office for checking and invoicing. Callouts are perfect for doing work on maintenance-type contracts, for keeping a check on costs. Now let's move to ordering stock. Stock items are ordered directly to a preloaded supplier. Items can be ordered into stock, be assigned directly to a job, or to a vehicle. You have total control of your stock inventory as the system shows where the items are at all times. Stock movement is also readily available. This segment shows reports available from the Easy Contracting Management Solution. The following are some reports available from our cloud-based management solution. Expenses, hour sheets, invoices, monthly totals, wages, work in progress, variance from contract, usage, shows where stock items have been used for a specific period, handy for managing clients that have specific inventory items that need to be reported on, cost category breakdown, suppliers.